Okay, guys, so let's begin the session now, and we will deep dive in the session only, right? We will deep dive in the session. If anywhere any thing, if you people not understand, then okay, just let me know that. Okay, just do what? Let me know that. So first, what is that? Before starting, what is that data JPA? I'm going to explain what is that ORM, right? ORM, right? ORM, because without ORM there is no data JPA, guys. Okay, so without ORM there is no data JPA. Raj, good afternoon. Okay, so let's start the session, and just one thing, so until unless if I'm not completing theory, guys, okay, don't feel bored, because I know that in the theory part, what boring part is there, right? Theory part is what little bit boring, but based on my theory only, what based on my theory only, what my next level explanation will be there. Okay, so okay, let's begin the session now. Okay, so what is that? First, we will understand what is that ORM, right? ORM means what? ORM means what? Object. What is that? Object relation. Object relation, right? Relation mapping. Object relation what? Mapping now. Okay, so fine now, guys. Object relation mapping is there, right? So ORM says what is that? ORM is giving, right, how in the Spring IOC container is giving some rules and guideline, right? So some rules and guideline, based on that rules and guideline, what we are doing now, we are performing what is that? Injections, right? Dependency injections. Okay, so now same like here also, whenever we are performing what is that? A database operation using what? Hibernate. Using what, guys? Hibernate. In this case, what we are doing now, we are following what is that? ORM mapping rules, right? ORM mapping rules. So same like here also, what is that? What is that? ORM say perform what is that? Perform what? Database operation, right? Database operation using what? Using what? Object format, right? Object format, like what? Save the object. Like what is that? ORM given what? Some method like save. If you want to save the object, what is that? In the database, right? Save, perform what is that? OBJ save. They are given what? Method save, right? Using save method, what you have to do now? What you have to do now? Perform what? Save operation. Now fine now, guys. So next one is what? Okay. So now same like if you want to perform what is that? Update operation, right? Update operation you can perform in the using the format of what? Object, right? Using in the form of what? Object, same only. And now same is given what? Delete operation, right? If you want to perform what? Delete operation, so then what you have to do now? Perform what? Delete operation, etc dot 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 etc, right? Like this what is that? Spring is sorry, please mute your switch off your camera, man. Shekhar Raju. Shekhar Raju, your six pack is, don't show your six pack, man. It's very nice six pack, family pack, not a six pack. Okay. Okay, so let's begin the session. Very nice. Okay. Okay, so okay, ORM says, right, to perform what is that? Based on my rules and guidelines, what you have to do in the even JDBC, we seen that we have need to write explicitly what query, but ORM says no, hey developer, you won't have need to write the query. I will generate it. Okay, I will generate it. Okay, but that is what next level discussion now. But that is what. Okay, so fine now, guys. So ORM programmer has to follow what is that? But what is that? So if we are ready, whenever we are performing what is that? Spring operation, what is that? We have to follow what is that? Bean rules and guidelines, right? How we are writing beans. Same like here also, right? If you want to perform what is that? ORM operation, right? So you have to follow what is that? ORM rules and guidelines, right? So here what will happen now, guys? What will happen now? Here programmer, here what programmer has to follow, right? Has to follow mapping rule. What is that? Mapping rule, right? Rule to what is that? To implement what? ORM concept, right? So what is the rules? What is the rules to follow? Means what? One, here what is that? What is the ORM rules? Link with what is that? Link with what is that? Class, one class equal to what, guys? One class with what? Link one class with what? Table, right? Table. Another link with what is that? Link with what? All variable. Don't worry, whenever we will move on next level discussion, guys, everything will be clear, right? With what? With what? With what? Column, right? Column. Then okay, so then means what? One object, same like means what is that? One class map, we will map with what? One table, right? Variable we will map with what? Column. And the same like what is that? Then it will become what is that? One object, one object equal to row in the database. One row will become what is that? One object, and one object will become what in the database? One row, guys. Okay, one row. So let's understand what is the rules. What is the rules? Just I'm writing one example, guys. Okay, see this. Okay, see this here. It will be clearly you people will understand now. What is that? Class. Just think about that. Class employee is there, right? Class employee is there, right? Fine, class employee is there. So same like what is that? Just I'm writing what? Class employee. Now inside that just int emp id I'm writing, right? Emp id I'm writing. Another one is what, guys? Another one is what? String. What is that? Emp name I'm writing, right? Another one is what? String. Sorry, double what? Emp cell, right? Emp cell I'm writing what? Hey, what happened now? Hey, what is this? Yeah. Okay. So same here, right? Here same here. What is that now? What is that now? Double. Okay. Let I will delete it. Are Sekhar Raju, what are you doing? You are really listening now or something? Actually, please switch off your camera. Sekhar Raju. Okay, leave it. Okay, double EMP cell is there, right? Double what? EMP cell. Okay, this is the variables are there, right? These are variables in the table, right? In the table. So, and what is that? In the database, guys. Okay, in the database, just think about that. So I want to store this object in the database. So in the database, what will happen now? Just emp tab is there, right? Emp table. Just think about that. In the database, what is that? Emp table is there, and what is that? EID is there, right? EID is there, and what is that? E name is there. Another one is what? E cell is there, right? Three attributes are there, right? So means what is the three columns are there. So okay, so fine now, guys. So same things, right? So here what we are going to do now. So So here what we are going to do now, hey developer, you have to map with what is that table, right? Table, right? Table, database, what is that row with what is that? You map your class, what is that? Map your class with what is that table name? Table name, and what is that? What is that? Variables, variables you have mapped with what is that? Columns, right? Columns. So these things is nothing but what, guys? Mapping. This is nothing but what? Mapping, right? This is nothing but what? Mapping. This is nothing but what is that? Mapping, right? Okay. This is nothing but what? Mapping. Mapping. Okay. So you have to follow this rule. So what is the rule now, guys? What is the rule now? So the class name you have mapped with what is that? Table name, right? Table name, right? So now, fine. So here, same like here, what is that? Attributes are there. Variables you have to map with what is that? Columns. Okay. So fine, now another one is what? Another one is what now, guys? Okay. So same like means what is that? Mapping. This is nothing but what? Mapping. And this mapping, who is performing now, guys? This mapping is
Mapping who is performing now, guys?
ORM, right? Who is performing now? ORM, right? So now fine now. Okay. So this is the rule we have need to follow, right? We have need to follow. What is that? This is the rule. So using ORM is what is the rules of, what is the responsibility to doing ORM, what is doing now? Just think about that. What? Just think about that. This is the object, right? What is that? This is the object, right? This object, this is the employee object. Just think about that employee object, right? Employee object. So fine. So fine now. So what is that inside this emp object? What is that? Just think about that. Emp id is there, right? Oh, sorry, one. What is there? Emp what? Id is there, right? Emp id just 10, right? Another one is what? Emp name is there, right? Emp name, just what is that? My name only I'm taking, right? Ravi. And what is that? Emp cell just 20.2 like this. Okay, I'm giving. Okay, so what is that? To what is that? It will convert, right? Internally ORM will perform, take, it will take the object, right? It will take the object, and it will, just think about that. I'm going to write here, but here only I'm giving that. What is that? Our is ORM will convert what is that? This object into row format, right? This object into what? Row format. So what is that? Emp id will become 10. Emp id will become 10. And what is that? Ravi. And another one is what? 20 point. Salary will become what is that? 20 point. What is that? 20.2, right? Like this. Okay, like this. So the what is the responsibility of ORM now? Converting what is that? Java object into row format, and after then whenever the need, right? Then row will convert into Java object, right? Row will convert into what is that? Java object now. Okay. Shall I remove him? Because he's not listening, he's playing now. Okay. Okay, let's remove him. Okay. Leave it here. I will remove him. Okay. Because he's a careless person, right? I don't want like this people. Where? Sumit. What is his name? Yes. If I remove na, if he want to join also he can't. Because of that I don't want to remove. Okay, let's remove him. I removed him. I remove. Done. Okay, guys, I removed him. Okay, leave it. He's not showing the discipline in the class, right? How I can expect it? He will show without any. Matlab, see, other people also there, but he. Okay, guys. So now fine. Now, so what is that? Class employee is there, right? EMP ID, EMP name. This is the what is that now? What rules we are following now? Mapping rules, right? Mapping rules we have need to follow, and this operation by taking this Java object into it will convert in what? A row format. Means what is that? It will store in the database. Okay, in the it will store in the database, and whenever we will perform what is that select operation, this row will convert into Java object. This responsibility is who is taking care now? ORM. This responsibility is taking care by whom now, guys? ORM people, right? Sorry, ORM framework. This responsibility is taken care by whom? ORM. Means what is that? ORM will take the object and it will convert into SQL format, right? SQL format, and it will store in what? Database. It will store in what? Database now. Okay, so fine now, guys. So let's move on. Let's see the next level discussion. Okay, ORM. Okay, so now what is that? JPA? But what is that? We have need. What is that? Whenever we are performing these operations now, guys. Okay, whenever we are performing this operation, what we have need? What? Some inputs, right? Some inputs. So then we can perform what? These operations, right? Then what? We can perform what? These operations now. Okay, so let's move on and let's see that. Okay, in the but what? Hibernate. In the Hibernate now, guys. Okay, so let's see that. Okay. So, but what we are going to do now, this class, right? This mapping class, we will map using what is that? JPA, Java Persistency API, guys. Data JPA is different. And what is that? Okay, Nagasri. Okay, so what is that? Data JPA, right? Using what is that? Java Persistency API is given by whom? Sun Micro is nothing but what? Oracle to map this. What is that? Java object using what is that? What? Database using based on that database, right? So I given what is that data? What is that? Like JPA notation, using JPA notation, what we can do it, we can map our object, right? So now fine now, guys. So next let's move on that. So what is that? How we can write it now? Let's see that. Okay, so just think about that. This is our employee class is there, right? Our employee class is there. So to make this Java class as a what? Entity object, right? If you want to make this Java class as a what? Entity object, for that, what is that? One annotation is given. What is that? String. Sorry, JPA people, right? JPA people at the rate what? At the rate what? At the rate entity. At the rate entity, right? At the rate entity, using at the rate entity, at the rate entity, using at the rate entity, what we are doing now, we are mapping our Java object to what? Our Java object to what? Database, right? Database, and this is what is that? Mandatory. Okay, and another one is what? After that. Okay, fine now, guys. So next one is what? If you want to give what is that, if you just use what is that at the rate entity, and whenever you will perform the operation now, okay, yeah, whenever you will perform the operation, so what will happen now? Our ORM framework, right? Our ORM framework will create what is that object, means table name, what is that? Based on that employee class only, right? Based on that what? Employee class only, our what? ORM framework will create. No, I want what? My choice name. I want what? My choice name. So what annotation is given now? JPA people. JPA people is given what is that? At the rate table. This is the optional now, guys. Okay, this annotation is optional. You can choose it, and you cannot. Okay, But in Spring Data JPA, guys, we will learn what is the compare to Spring ORM, right? I'm going to increase here what multiple annotation, and all area I will touch what is that in Spring Data JPA, right? Compare to what is that in Spring ORM, whatever things I taught, right? Compare to those things. Here I'm going to cover what multiple things. Even I will touch what is that, because based on this one only, right? Whenever we will enter next module, our what Spring, sorry, boot MVC, right? There I'm going to create what is that one mini project, and compared to Spring mini project, this mini project will be good compared to what that Spring ORM, sorry, Spring mini project, right? Here I will take what multiple modules. I will design architect. I will give what is that DFD, and we will what is that implement, because uh, here what is that code is reduced, right? In the less time we can give what more product, we will produce what is that more productive things. Okay, so please concentrate on this area, because I'm going to use in the mini project what. Yes, so there you can right, you can put this mini project in your resume, because in this mini project I will touch what is that all real things. Okay. Like what is that, even log4j also in this time I will use what is that logging activity also in this mini project, right? Like security I will cover security in the same application. After then what is that Spring REST I will touch. Okay. After then what Spring Mail also I will implement this in this time in this mini project. After then Spring ORM will be there. After then front end I will use theme leaf. You people will go, what is that, you people will learn to in Spring MVC, right? Theme leaf, exception handling also. Okay, Sunil, everything I will touch. Okay, everything, this mini project will be good only, right? And even after ending I will touch what is that microservices. Until unless if I'm not completing microservices I can't explain, right? So because of that, when we will complete what is that microservices, that time load balancer and all those things also I will implement in the same application. So because of that, everyone start what is that, everyone start please what is that practical from here onward. Because if analysis is there in your mind, right, then you people can understand whenever I will do the coding. Because whenever I will enter in the modules, whenever we will increase our what capacity to module, right, then I will not touch these basic things, just I will write the code only. Yes, Sunil, Power Mocky too. I will. Okay, so just you are thinking about your way only, right? If you think about my way, right, then see if I'm giving this time to you people means what? Okay, I won't have time. Okay, Saturday, Sunday I have the time, and at those time I'm spending to you with you people. So accept that, right? If much clarity to explaining, it's not meaning that, right? If I am explaining to you people, first I have need to clear much about those things myself only, right? Because if I'm not clear, because here everyone experienced person, not a freshers, right? I'm explaining to experienced people. Okay, so if I explain wrong things, any like unused things, right, you people will catch. Okay, so those things I don't want. Okay, don't worry, if I will power marketo I will touch, but give the time. Okay. Okay, so now fine now guys, so let's move on in the session only, right? Let's move on. And one more things guys, who is the new in the session, it will end this meeting within the 10 minutes, until unless if I'm not saying the session is stopped, right? Please join again. Okay, so now fine now guys. Okay, so now what is that table is there, right? At the rate, what is that table? This is the what, to create what is that, to create what is that our own, to give, right? To give what? database, in the database, right? In the database to give what is that, using what is that @ table, and this is the optional. This is what optional. This annotation is what now, guys? Optional annotations, right? So another one more things is what? Another one more thing. So one more thing. So whenever we are performing what is that hibernate operation, we have need to put one primary key, right? One primary key in what table? Table. Then what will happen now, guys? Then what will happen now? Then our application can able to what is that? Our application can will what is that serialize, right? Serialize means will store the data, this object in what table. So for that one more annotation is there, @ what, @ what id, right? @ what id. This one also what is that, this one also mandatory, just mandatory md, just I'm writing what is that mandatory, right? After then what is that, after then what is that, this, if you don't want to give what is that, if you don't want to give what, this name, right? If you don't want to give what, our employee sorry, column name as what, as it is in what, in the database. So so no, I want what is that, if you not give any annotation on the top of what this I like attribute, then this one will become what is that database, what is that database column, right? This one will become what in the database column. No, I want what is that, this column also my choice name, right? My choice name. So for that, what is that @ column, column annotations is there, and this is also what is that optional, guys. Okay, this is also what optional annotations now. Okay, so fine now, guys. So next one is what, so these, using these annotations, what we will do now, we will perform what is that mapping rules. What operation we are performing now, guys? Mappings rules, right? So my mappings rules. Okay, so fine now, guys. So next one is what now, next one. So same like so, but what is that, we have need to configure one database also, right? So what we have to do now, so we have need to configure our what, a database. We have need to configure our what, database. So for that, our is hibernate is given, what is that hibernate dot cfg.xml, right? Hibernate configuration xml. Inside this some property we have need, right? Okay, so in the session factory, what property we will write it now, guys? I will reduce the code, be careful. I'm going to reducing the code. Okay, based on this discussion only our next level discussion is there, right? Our next level discussion is there. Okay, so because of that I'm explaining this one. Okay, already in what spring orm is there, but I know that people will not watch. Okay, people will not watch on YouTube. So this much undisciplined person is there. After saying that also, Sudhir, no, sorry, what is that name person, right? So he's showing our what is that family pack. Okay, so what is the use? It means he's not listening our sessions also. Just what is that? He's being in the session. Okay, so like, okay, so what is some properties are there, right? What is that property? Driver property means what is that, to stable the connection between what is that database to what is that our hibernate. What is that, some property hibernate dot what is that connection, hibernate dot what connection driver class. Here what is that, if you want to perform what is that mysql database, then you have to give what is that mysql, right? MySQL driver, right? Driver name. After then another one is what, hibernate connection dot what is that url, right? url. So here we will give what is that hibernate url. Oh, sorry, mysql url. Fine now, guys. After then what is that, hibernate dot what connection connection dot username, right? Username. After then what is that username? Just what I'm giving system. Okay. Fine now guys. So system I'm giving what is that password, right? These properties whom now database, right? These are the database properties. Same as what is that? Same as now guys some after then another property also we have need to give here. What is that? What Hibernate dialect, right? Don't worry, I will explain each and every property and I will tell here code will reduce now. Okay. Here what code will reduce now. Okay. So fine now hibernate dot what is that? Hibernate dot what is that? Dialect. Yeah. Hibernate dot dialect. Okay. So if you are using MySQL dialect will be there. MySQL dialect will be there. After then what is that? Hibernate what? Hibernate what? So underscore SQL, right? So this is the by default. What is that? True. So you have sorry. This one is by default. What is that? True or false, guys? This is the by default. What is the false? So we have need to make what is the true. Another one is what? Hibernate dot what? Hibernate dot what? Format, right? Format. Hibernate dot what? Format. So find now hibernate dot format SQL, right? SQL. So this one also by default false. So what we will do now? We will make what? True now. Okay. So another one is what now, guys? Another one is what? So another one is what? Hibernate dot what? HBM dot HBM to what? HBM to DDL, right? HBM to DDL, right? HBM to DDL dot what? AUTU auto. HBM to DDL. So it's having what? Four properties. It's having what? How many property now, guys? Four property, right? What is that? Update. Update. Another property is what? Update. Another property what? Validate. Another